Hello people out there. So this is the demo for my new tool that I have created that's called SEO keyword cluster. So I have tried making a SERP based clustering tool for keyword research where you put a dump of keywords and based on the SERP results, it's gonna show which all keywords related. So what essentially it does is it reverse engineers Google's own algorithm and tries to figure out what Google sees similar. Okay, so this helps in my own agency, but I'm gonna show you how it works, and it's a pretty simplistic tool. If you want, you can set it up in your own device. I've given the code on my GitHub, but let's get set to the demo. So for the first thing you need to do is there are multiple things that you can open a project that you have already created, or you create another project. For the sake of it, I'll create another project, demo new. All right, it will ask a serper.dev API. You go here, you go to this URL serper.dev and get the API. You'll get free 2500 keywords for you to test, and then you can decide that if you want to buy or not. Then you need to come to, like, I have uploaded a sheet in the GitHub. You can see there's a keyword and there's a volume row, columns. What you do is you download the CSV of this, because this is format, by the way. So you need to follow this format for you to actually use this. Now what will happen is that you can come here, you can drag, yeah, there you go. And the number of overlapping, you can change this number of overlapping of URLs, but for now I'm just keeping it this. So essentially what happens, what it does is the number of overlaps, like it goes ahead and scrapes all of the keywords SERPs and then finds the common URLs between them, right? If there are common URLs, then it means that intent of that keyword is similar. Intent of those keywords is similar, and you should make a content cluster or topic over it, like you'll get the topical authority of that specific keywords. So once the scraping is done, next step is going to clustering, and now you can choose the number of clusters. I would recommend, depending on your niche, I would recommend you from going from 3 to 8. As I have less data, around 50. I do it with probably 500, 700, 1000 keywords, but let's keep it 5 as of now. Start clustering. Yeah, now the clusters are done. You can directly download the clusters as CSV, or you can go to the results, and you see this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 clusters have been made, okay, with keywords, you see. So the intent is still not there. What we will do is we'll start classifying intent. This uses sentence transformer to classify the titles of the SERPs for a specific keyword, so that we get an idea of what that SERP actually means. So let's wait a bit. It takes a bit of time depending upon your keyword. I mean, we are using around 50 keywords as of now, so it's not gonna take much time. But you can, by the way, you can deploy this directly on your own Streamlit app if you want, or if you want to help enhance this, you can reach out to me at my socials, at my emails, and we can work something together. Once this intent has been classified, what you can see is, look at this: informational intent, commercial intent. You see, this is commercial intent. I think there is a small problem where the volume is not showing. I'll need to fix it. I'll fix it ASAP. That's not a problem. But there you see, once these clusters has been added, you can download the cluster as CSV and save it. A better way to visualize these clusters is in sheets. I have found is I create a new sheet, I import the data, append to current sheet, import. So what I generally do is I go to date, filter by cluster name, and you can see how this clusters, these are the clusters and these are the name of the clusters, and the volume representatively gets added, and all of it, this intent, dominant intent, all of it. So this is essentially the tool that we have created. It's a alternate, the algorithms that are being used here and used by keywordinsights.io, and I wanted to create something of mine. This is pretty cheap tool, runs on $1 per 1000 keywords, which is I think phenomenal, as it scrapes all of the SERPs for every keyword that you want. So the data here is not generated, it's processed. And I hope this video becomes helpful to you for implementing this. Try this, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then,